सामीन कराम, अच्छी सेहत से मुराद वो जिस्मानी और जहनी क़ुव्वत है जो ज़िंदगी के हर लम्हे के लिए ज़रूरी है। ज़िंदगी का हर काम सेहत से है और अगर सेहत ही ठीक ना हो तो ज़ाहिर है कोई चीज़ अच्छी नहीं रहेगी। अगर आपकी सेहत अच्छी होगी तो आप अपने अमली, माशी और समाजी, सियासी और अखलाक़ी हालत बेहतर से बेहतर बना सकते हैं। इसीलिए तो सेहत को कामयाबी की कुंजी और तरक्की की चाबी कहा जाता है। और इन्हीं तमाम बातों को नज़्म की सूरत में पेश करेंगी हमदर्द पब्लिक स्कूल जूनियर सेक्शन की तालबा ज़िमल अदनान। और साथ साथ ये भी बताता चलूँ कि ये नज़्म शहीद पाकिस्तान और कायद नौनिहाल मोहतरम हकीम मोहम्मद सईद साहब की लिखी हुई है। आइए सुनते हैं नज़्म ग़िज़ाई इलाज, जिसको पेश करेंगी ज़िमल अदनान।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ग़िज़ाई इलाज। जहाँ तक काम चलता हो ग़िज़ा से, वहाँ तक चाहिए बचना दवा से। अगर तुझको लगे जाड़े में सर्दी तो इस्तेमाल कर अंडे की जर्दी। जो हो महसूस मैदे में गिरानी तो चख ले सौंफिया अदरक का पानी। जिगर के बल पे है इंसान जीता, अगर ज़ूफ़े जिगर हो खा पपीता। जिगर में हो अगर गर्मी दही खा, अगर आंतों में हो खुश्की तो घी खा। ज़्यादा अगर दिमागी है तेरा काम तो खा तू शहद के हमराह बादाम। जो दुखता हो गला नज़ले के मारे तो कर नमकीन पानी के गरारे। जो अगर दर्द के दांतों से हो बेकल तो उंगली से मसूड़ों पर नमक मल। जो बदहज़मी में तू चाहे अफाका तो दो एक वक्त का कर ले तू फाका। शुक्रिया।
अभी अपने खूबसूरत अंदाज में नज़्म ग़िज़ाई इलाज बानवान पेश कर रही थी तालबा हमदर्द पब्लिक स्कूल जूनियर सेक्शन ज़िमल अदनान। Undoubtedly, we have talented students in every grade of our school. Today, in this assembly, we are going to show their talent right in front of you. Let us invite our tableau performers of Hamdard Public School Junior Section on stage to perform tableau on today's resolution topic. Please give a big round of applause to these little students.
Scene 1, Dr. Said's clinic. A patient enters walking slowly and moaning painfully, closely followed by a toffee in a soft drink bottle.
Oh, I think I'm soon going to die. These terrible pains, they make me cry.
This is my clinic and you are most welcome here. I hate to see your eyes full of tears. Who are you and why are you here? What have you done to make my patient full of fears?
I am a toffee full of sweetness. Eating me regularly has her weakness.
I am a soft drink full of bubbles and froth. She drinks me a lot and tries to get a good growth.
Go away from my clinic and leave my patient alone. You are making her sick and I hate to hear her groan.
I have a poor vision and a terrible toothache. My arms and legs always shiver and shake.
Let me check. What's wrong with you? After taking my medicine, you won't feel blue. I think I know how I can make you well. A week spent at House of Hell is a magical health spell.
House of Health, what's that? If I go there, will I become fat?
Stay there for 1 whole week, and I promise that you will never feel weak.
How can I go to the House of Health?
I will give you the address.
Scene 2, House of Health. The patient enters the hall full of chairs and people moving around and observes everything slowly.
My, what a strange place this is. I'll live here for a week. I hope I'll find bliss.
You look dull. Don't you play in a sunlight? Sunlight helps you to grow strong and fight, and all the different diseases and germs run away from you. Enjoy sunlight, dear friend, like I always do.
Talking to you has helped me a lot. I'm feeling much better, although a little hurt.
Don't be afraid if you feel a little hot. Drink some water, it will help you a lot.
This is really very refreshing. Water, I think, Allah's best blessing. Drink me to make your bones and teeth strong. Trust me, you'll have a life that's super long. For a strong eyesight, you must make me your pet. Eat me regularly, and you will be able to see things that are too small. Alhamdulillah, I'm feeling better now. You all are my friends now.
Scene 3, 1 week later in the park, the patient enters the park looking happy and healthy and starts to jog and do physical exercise. Her old friends, Toffee and Soft Drink, entered the park and walked towards her gleefully.
At last, we are together once again.
Let's restart our friendship from where we began.
Stop following me around everywhere. You are no more my friends. I do declare. I don't need friends like you in my life. I found new friends and they have shown me light. Go away. I don't need you. Now I will become healthy and teach my clan how to love Pakistan, how to build Pakistan.
दुआए सईद के लिए मैं हमदर्द पब्लिक स्कूल और हमदर्द विलेज स्कूल के बच्चों से कहूँगी कि वो स्टेज पे आ जाएं।